everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to make for you a chocolate trifle. This is one of those delicious and yummy recipes that my husband begged me to make, and I'm going to make it today for you, but for him to enjoy later. So let me go ahead and tell you what goes in this. First off, you're going to take a box of brownie mix and just bake it according to the recipe on the box. And you're going to let those cool off, and then you're going to cut them into 1-inch squares, which I've already done. You're going to have 8 ounces of Cool Whip and then 12 ounces of Cool Whip. You're going to get a chocolate bar and you're going to shave it. That's going to go on the top. You have a 1/2 cup of water, then a 3.9 ounce box of chocolate instant pudding mix, and a 14 ounce of sweetened condensed milk. So next I'm going to show you how we mix our filling for this trifle. All right, now we're going to go ahead and mix the filling for this trifle. I went ahead and put our pudding mix in our large bowl, and we're going to add in our water and the condensed milk. And then we're going to mix this with a hand mixer until it's smooth. And then we're going to fold in the 8 ounces of Cool Whip. Of course, you want to make sure those are thawed before you use them. All right. Let's go ahead and mix this. Now we're going to fold in our Cool Whip. Just use a spatula or a spoon. And you're going to just stir this in until there's no streaks left when you mix it in with the pudding. All right. And I'm going to finish stirring this up, and then we're going to come back and show you how we layer this up. Okay everyone, as you can see, we've got our Cool Whip and our pudding and our condensed milk and water all mixed in with no white streaks. And then we're going to go ahead and layer our trifle bowl. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to layer it with brownies. And then you're going to use half of this on top of the brownies, and then half of your Cool Whip on top of that, and then you're going to do the same thing over again. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how we put that together. Okay, as you can see, we've got our completed chocolate trifle. We've topped it with our shaved chocolate. And if you wanted to, you could also put on fresh strawberries or raspberries on it, if you would prefer. You're gonna wanna cover this and chill it in your refrigerator for 3 to 5 hours before you serve it. I really hope that you enjoy this recipe and your family loves it as well. And I hope that you'll subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell to get the notifications that I have a new video coming. Thanks for watching today, folks.